There's a reason dermatologists have recommended SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic for years, and the brand just gave them one more reason. I'm Meg, senior site merchant here at Lovely Skin, and I am so excited to talk about C E Ferulic's enhanced patent-pending formula with 2 new ingredients to help boost skin longevity. Now, to be clear, this is not a new product. This is your same holy grail C E Ferulic with the iconic antioxidant combo you already trust. It has 15% pure vitamin C, 1% vitamin E, and 0.5% ferulic acid. The enhancement comes from 2 new ingredients, carnosine and endophytol. Carnosine is a dipeptide made of 2 amino acids that adds more antioxidant protection. And endophytol is an extract of dandelion root that adds more anti-pollution and anti-inflammatory benefits. Together, they make the enhanced formula 8 times stronger against environmental aggressors and clinically improve 8 signs of aging beyond wrinkles, including discoloration and radiance. If C E Ferulic is already your holy grail, I promise SkinCeuticals didn't mess with a good thing. It's still as efficacious and has been tested to ensure it looks, feels, and smells exactly like the version you know. And the results speak for themselves. This is what consistent use looks like, visibly firmer, brighter skin over time. The upgrade helps visibly reverse 10 years of aging signs, such as lack of firmness and dullness. Same body you love, just enhanced. You can find it at Lovely Skin. The link is in the description. Goodbye.